Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you have ever struggled with identifying trend strength and direction, you need to check out the Levels Strength Index indicator. This tool provides a simple way to measure market trend and strength, helping you spot strong trends and potential reversals with ease. So I am just going to add the level strength indicator to the chart right now because this is the indicator we're going to be discussing. Okay, we're going to be looking at how this indicator works, the level strength index indicator. We're going to be looking at how this indicator works and how to take advantage of it for your trading. Now, the level strength indicator, which is the LSI for short, it's a momentum based indicator designed to measure the strength of a market trend. Now it's kind of work to an extent similarly to the RSI, but provides more precise information on trend continuation and potential exhaustion. Right? It helps traders determine whether the trend is going up, whether the market is in an uptrend, a downtrend, or range bound. All right. And then it can show how strong the trend is and if it is likely to continue. And then, of course, possible trend reversals or weakening momentum. Okay. So this makes the LSI a valuable confirmation tool for trend traders and those looking to time their entries and exits more effectively. So to start using this indicator, of course, you open your trading view, you search for the level strength index in the indicator bar. And then once applied, you're going to see the indicator appeared to the chart. This indicator that is looking like a dragon skin. Well, the indicator is quite an effective one though, even though it kind of looks complicated, but all you just have to do is understand how it works. You can see that when the indicator is painting a green shaded area, it automatically means that bullish momentum is prevailing. And then when it is painting an orange shaded area, it typically means that a bearish momentum is prevailing. Okay, so you can actually use this indicator effectively for trend confirmation, for reversal signals, for breakout trading, and compare it with other indicators, right? So when you are using this indicator to confirm trend, basically, when the orange shaded area appears, all you have to do is watch out for a bearish pattern, right? For example, you can see this particular candle. You can see how this candle appeared, right? Now, you look for a good opportunity to enter a sell. You can set your stop loss some pips above the resistance. And then for your take profit, you can actually use support zones, or you can just wait for when the indicator changes color. When the indicator changes color to green, you can use that to exit your sell. All right. Okay, so this is in the case of trading in the direction of the trend. Now, for a bullish move, once the indicator changes color to green, we look for a good opportunity. All right, you can see, I can see kind of three white soldiers. You can see the three white soldiers pattern. So right after these three white soldiers, you can enter a buy trade. You can set your stop loss some pips below the support zone, and then for your take profit, you can actually target resistance zones, or you can even wait for the indicator to change color to red before exiting your buy trade. So now, whenever the green shaded area remains, you can remain in your buy trade. For example, if you are a long-term trader and you notice that the green level is still there, the shaded area is still green, you can just maintain your buy trade until a reversal signal occurs, until the area that is shaded green now turns into red. Okay, so that brings us to the reversal signals. So basically, when the price is trending in one direction and the indicator keeps on painting a singular color, like the green color, for example, and then suddenly you notice that there is a break of structure. You notice that price stops painting higher highs and starts painting lower highs, or maybe the first lower low forms or the first lower high forms. That is a sign that the trend is changing. And then once the indicator now changes color as well, paints a red color, it shows that the bearish reversal is incoming. So in that case, once you have confirmed the breakout to the downside, you can enter a sell, set your stop loss above the swing high, and then you target support levels for your take profits, or you wait for when the color changes back to green. So that is the case of a sell. But in the case of a buy, right after the indicator has been painting red, and then suddenly you notice that there is a break of structure. You notice that the indicator is no longer forming lower highs and lower lows, but now starts forming higher highs or higher lows. Once you have verified that and you get your confirmation signals for a buy, you can go ahead to enter your buy trade and then set your stop loss below the swing low, and then your take profit can actually be at resistance levels. All right, you can use resistance levels for your take profit, or you can just decide to wait for when the the indicator paints a red area. Once that red area has been painted, you can use that to exit your buy trade. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward, right? Now, with respect to breakout trading, for example, if a notable resistance has been identified, you can see, for example, here, there is a notable resistance zone around here. And you notice that price gets rejected when it gets close to that particular key zone. And then suddenly you notice that the area where that rejection is, the indicator is moving sideways around that area. So just keep a close watch on that. If suddenly the indicator booms upward, that is a bullish breakout, you can see that there is actually an indicator line. Can you see that there is a white line? Can you see that there is a white line, right? So if the indicator line suddenly surges, that white line, if the white line suddenly surges above that breakout point after moving sideways, then it's a sign that a breakout is probably underway, right? So you look for a good opportunity and you can trade in the direction of the breakout so long as that breakout has been confirmed, okay? But do not jump in without confirming the breakout, all right? So now that you understand how to use the levels strength index, a simple way to measure market strength and strength, try adding it to your charts and testing it out, but ensure that you test it out on a demo account first. If you want to execute trades based on the indicator, you should actually execute your trades on demo account first before trying it out on a live account. All right, and ensure you always observe good risk management. Do not trade with amounts you can afford to lose, and do not use more than 2% of your account balance in a single trade, okay, for a more conservative approach. So now that you understand how this indicator works, you might want to try it out. All right, drop a comment below if you have used this indicator before, or if you have any questions. Before you go, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more powerful trading strategies. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.